Then 30,000 in my pocket, had them niggas just like,
Another video, guys. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing a hoverboard. This is gonna be the chrome color. It doesn't really show it on the side, but yeah, here comes on. We can show them all the. If you've watched other unboxing things, it's the same. This is the colors. They're not really all of them, but yeah, this is the weight, 12 kilograms. The voltage is 36 volts. The max speed is 12 kilometers per hour. The product model is smart, and yeah, I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah. Yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright, so this is the charging, the first thing, because there's another cable in here. This is the other cable. Oh my god. Alright. Can't get it out. Alright. But yeah. This is the hoverboard. Chromegold color. Nobody really has this color, so I just chose to use it. So yeah, now we're gonna show you how to write in stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, so they say that it's already charged, so I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, it's true. It's really true. Alright, so I'm gonna try and write it for the first time. Wow. I'm a pro at this. Look at this. Like you all know, I'm good at writing everything, so yeah. So now Saul's gonna show you how
I'm gonna try.
He's gonna attempt it.
Hopefully
yeah.
I don't fall.
Alright, yeah.
But yeah,
This is gonna be Saul's first try. You have to put your whole hand, man. Your whole hand, your whole foot. I can't stop spinning.
Twist it the other way. I just don't go down there because then you'll fall.
Close up.
See all the reflection? Chromegold is beautiful. Okay, is that it?
Whoa. This is too much fun. Can't wait till I get mine.
Yep. So yeah, we'll be back with you in a little bit. So here, to get off, you have to put your first leg back. Oh, like just put your left leg back. Okay, there.
Ah, yeah.
Not so hard, is it, Saul? All right.
I actually got used to it after a while.
Yeah, but this is the buttons. That's the power and then the charging.
Can't wait till I get mine.
So yeah, we'll be back with you in a little bit.
Alright guys, so I actually know how to write it already because I opened it on Christmas morning, but yeah, I kind of already got it scratched, as you could see in the video already. Trust me, it's freaking hard to not get it scratched. So yeah, if you're gonna get one, then get it, because these things are actually pretty good. And not all of them explode, by the way. You have to get the Samsung battery because the cheap Chinese batteries are not good. So yeah, but mine was a skit, and Saul's was actually real. So yeah, I already know how to ride this like a pro.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and this was my hoverboard. So yeah.
Bye.